Yo, what up guys? How are you all doing? The essence of this video is to guide those of you who are using FTX Exchange, especially those who keep complaining that the app keeps lagging, right? So we found a panacea to that. We found a solution. And what's that? Right? First of all, go to your Chrome. It could be your Chrome, it could be your Brave browser, depending on the one that you love to use, but I prefer my Chrome, right? So go to your Chrome and browse ftx.com, right? ftx.com, right? Try to open it there. Okay, so I'm trying. Okay, so I'm there now, right? It has opened, and before you can see the normal interface, the normal welcome notes, right? So the front page of FTX website, this is just what you get to see, right? So as this has finally loaded, go to these three dots here. These three dots, this is what I mean. This thing that looks like an ellipse, this is what I mean. Follow this arrow, please. These three dots over there, right? Go there, tap on it. Okay, as you tap on it, select let me get that. We have Open FTX, we have New Incognito, and the rest of it. Okay, so what I'm looking for hasn't shown. I would have to wait for it to show. That's why this thing is still loading. If it eventually loads, and I will show you guys what I want you to see. So just wait for it to load up, right? Alright, so eventually it has loaded, right? So just as we pointed out before, go to these three ellipses over here, these three dots, right? Click on it. You will see various options. You will see New Incognito, bookmarks, download, finding page, open FTX, desktop site, and all that, right? Okay. There we have new tab, new incognito, bookmarks, recent tabs, history. But the one we are looking for is add to home screen. This is what I mean here. This one here, add to home screen, right? So you click on it, add to home screen. See what it shows, add to home screen. So go right ahead and add it, right? So it's still adding, right? Okay, so what we've succeeded in doing is that we've converted the mobile site to look like an app, right? So it gives us the normal look and feel we would get if we were using the normal FTS Pro app, right? So we've added it to our home screen. Then we go back, right? Locate it where it is. We locate it where it is. Locate the FTS app where it is now. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down. Okay, where is it? Okay, I will have to identify it. I'll have to look for it where it is. All right, so look at it here. We have the FTS, we have the normal FTS. This is what I mean. We have the normal FTS, and then we have the FTS Pro. FTS Pro is actually the normal app, but the ordinary FTS is the website that has been converted into an app, right? So you just go right ahead and click on it, open it, so allow it to load up. Okay, FTS cryptocurrency derivatives exchange and all that. So once it opens, you get something like this. Just click on close, right? Close it. Okay, this is it. So what this thing does is that it gives you the same look and feel, just like I said earlier. It gives you the same look and feel you would have if you were using the normal FTS exchange, right? So you just go right here, input your information, your email, your password. Don't mind what you saw earlier. It's just the account I normally use for my trading and for my free tutorial, so to say. So there's no money there, right? So you just go right there and key in your information, your email and the password, then click to verify, agree terms and all that. So you go right ahead and log in, right? Like I said, it gives you the same experience you would get if you were just using the normal FTS Pro app, right? So this is just the simplest way. So you don't have to worry yourself about lagging. You don't have to worry yourself about the app taking time to load and all that, because one thing with the FTS Pro app is that it functions well on high-end phones, right? For you to for you to use it maximally, your phone has to be of a higher grade. So those who have who are using lower grade phones, right? Those whose Android phones are of lower grades and all that, they always find it difficult because sometimes it lags and sometimes it takes time to open and all that, right? So, but then using this method gives you the same experience as you would get if you were using the FTX Pro app, right? So I hope this has been insightful, educative, and eye-opening enough for you, right? Thank you, and I will see you in the subsequent episodes.